Today, we review the best waterproof camera that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Number 1. Olympus Tough TG5. It has a hugely impressive range of features for a variety of water-based and general outdoor situations. There's a well-performing sensor, which is joined by a 25 to 100mm lens. While a 4x optical zoom is relatively limited, at the wide-angle end you've got an f2.8 maximum aperture, which is great for letting in as much light as possible when shooting underwater. Number 2. GoPro FujiFilmfinipix Black. It's small and versatile, offering 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS, but stick to 30 FPS if you want to take advantage of image stabilization. Unlike some other action cameras, the FujiFilmfinipix Black is waterproof to 10 meters without the need for additional housing. If you want to film yourself surfing, for example, you can buy a dedicated surfboard. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FT7. The Lumix FT7 also has a 20.4 MP sensor paired with a 4.6x zoom lens, giving you an equivalent of 28 to 128mm in 35mm terms. Pretty unusual for a tough-type camera, the FT7 has an inbuilt electronic viewfinder. You're unlikely to want to use this for each shot, but it's handy when bright light precludes you from using the screen. Number 4. Nikon Coolpix W300. Coming in just behind the Panasonic Lumix FT7, the all-weather Nikon W300 offers 30-meter waterproofing. This makes it another ideal choice for divers, but don't let that stop you from using it in shallow waters or even on the trail during a downpour. There's a 16-megapixel sensor paired with a 5x optical zoom, the 24mm wide angle being the widest of any in our group. Number 5. FujiFilmfinipix XP130. FujiFilmfinipix XP130 is a good budget option. It's also a good travel camera for family beach holidays. Regardless of the smaller price tag, it still can go as deep as 20 meters, which is useful for some types of diving and definitely snorkeling. The Finipix XP130 is an easy-to-use waterproof camera that may not outshine your smartphone in normal conditions, but for those water-based situations that your phone just couldn't withstand, it's a great camera to chuck in your back. She's a